Hello everyone, I'm Anita and welcome to my channel. So today topic is not related to grammar or vocabs. Let's talk about some problem which we all are going through. That is mind goes blank while I speak English. So in this video I will share some of my incident which I faced in my learning journey and how I tackle it. Yes, I practiced a lot and overcome. Still, I practice. But the problem is, what was the main reason while I spoke in front of others, I got stuck? Many people suggested me you should enhance your vocabulary, read newspaper, books, write some pages. But to be very honest, I had lot of vocabulary. I read newspaper, books. I worked on sentence formation. But the main problem was lack of confidence. I felt hesitant. I became nervous whenever I met a stranger or teachers. Even teachers were very polite, very supportive. But the moment I had to speak in front of them, I became nervous despite being well prepared because the thing was in my mind they are better than me. If I will make mistake, they will laugh at me. So these type of thoughts were roaming in my mind which was pulling me down, and this was the main cause my confidence went down. So when I found my problem, I started rectifying, and I knew they all were making some mistake. They all were becoming nervous. Actually, we all were on the same boat. You know, English is not our mother tongue. We are not born with it, isn't it? It is our second language. So don't be nervous, don't be hesitant. If you are making mistake, that is okay. Learn from those mistakes. Everyone make mistakes, everyone feels shy or nervous. It is okay. As we know, initially, no one is perfect. Gradually, we can overcome our mistakes and be perfect, not in overnight. So, in order to improve my English, what I did, I changed my perspective towards people and I try to learn something from them rather than being hesitant. Whatever I know, I will just share with them. No matter what, if somebody is laughing at me, pulling my leg, I will just focus on my learning process. And that's how I started building my confidence and speak in front of others without any hesitation. So only it was in my mind, they are better than me. They know well. But actually, what happened? The person who knows well are very supportive. They will not laugh at you. They will always be ready to support you. This is what I observed in people. So be relaxed while you speak in front of others. They are not going to judge you. They all are human being too. They can understand you. What are you going through? And the second reason was what to say. Yes, it was also a cause in my learning stage because when I knew about the thing or topic, I explained well. But when I didn't know about particular thing, I got stuck after few statements. Despite having confidence or being familiar with them, I was unable to speak spontaneously because I didn't know about that. So I started feeding my mind with words, vocabs. I started prepare myself, and that's how I'm able to speak in front of others. So always keep trying to feed your mind with great knowledge, otherwise you can always be unable to deliver outputs until and unless you feed ideas in your mind. So first you can keep reading, keep listening. It will help you to putting information in your mind, and keep writing so that you could understand what do you actually want to say. And of course, you have to do speaking practice. If you have friend circle with English surroundings, that is too good. Otherwise, you can practice by yourself. Start talking in front of the mirror. This is a good way to improve your English and overcome your hesitation. So this is the good way to improve your English and remove your hesitation. Here you can practice calmly. Nobody is going to judge you. And what happens when we practice in front of the mirror? Words and ideas started coming in our mind. And when it comes in our mind, we can easily express our points. So our practice should be must. So our practice should be consistent. Automatically things become easier. And one more thing is, don't take it as a subject. It is just a language. If you are making mistake, that's all right. Everyone make mistakes, but try to learn and rectify those mistakes. And that's how you can overcome your hesitations. So if you really want to become fluent, do practice, because only practice can make you better. So whenever you get a chance to speak in front of others, don't pull yourself back, because when you do that, maybe you can feel comfortable, right? But you cannot go ahead. So try to push yourself in uncomfortable situation and say to yourself, I'm not going to fall back. I will face this situation and overcome, because I have to reach my goal. So that's all about how we can overcome our hesitation or fear while we speak English in front of others. So I hope you will like it. If it happens with you, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe my channel and like my video. I will meet very soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing.